The other day I did my first ever photo shoot in the rain.
Don't give me those eyes.
All right, ready?
It didn't rain as much as we thought it was, so we had to wet her hair to really sell the fact that we were out there in pouring rain. It was really cold water, but she was a good sport.
I couldn't find them.
For this photo shoot, I used the Sony a7R III and the 35mm f1.8 from Sony. Such a small but powerful setup.
Try to not point that elbow at the camera. Right there. Looking up at that Chicago sign, University of Chicago sign.
For this photo shoot, I wanted JoJo to look distressed and unhappy, like the world is coming down on her. And while she's outside smoking a cigarette, it just starts pouring rain. But she doesn't run for cover. She just embraces it. Normally for a rain shoot, you want to have lights to illuminate the rain falling. Toward the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I edited these photos to make it look like it was pouring rain.
So go over there. Right there. Can you see stand right there? Love it, love it. Ooh, moody. These are gonna have some moody tones to it, let me tell you. All right, now you're gonna be walking, looking back. Ready? Ooh. Wait, stop right here, stop, stop, stop. How about you sit right here? Oh, I got. Let me see. Oh.
Have you ever taken pictures in the rain but you can't actually see the rain falling down? That's what happened here. So I did some things to make it look like it was raining because I didn't want to sacrifice the mood of my photo shoot for adding lights in the back to illuminate the rain and things of that nature. I wanted it to be moody. I wanted it to look like out of a movie scene. So I'm going to show you how I edited these images. But first, a message from my sponsor, Vessi. Vessi makes some pretty incredible 100% weatherproof shoes that are super versatile and stylish. So I've used these for several photo shoots so far, and not only are they super comfy and stretchy, which is important to me, but I don't have to worry about walking around with wet socks, which we can all agree is probably the worst feeling ever. I can literally stand in a puddle with these shoes on and my feet will be completely dry. In my opinion, the perfect shoe for a photographer like me that shoots outdoors all the time, especially living in a place like Chicago with the most bipolar weather. These shoes feature a dual climate knit material so that you can comfortably wear them in the winter and summer. I personally recommend these shoes to anyone looking for the most versatile shoe you have ever owned. To experience the world's first 100% waterproof knit shoe, click the link down below in the description box. My personal recommendation, can't go wrong with these stealthy black ones right here. Okay, so how do you properly shoot in the rain? You have a backlight, which illuminates the rain. Then you have a front light, which illuminates the model. That's not what I was going for. I was going for a moody, cinematic kind of photo shoot where I can actually move around and shoot in different locations quickly, not just stay in one spot, have to move my lights. That's kind of a pain in the butt. No, I'm gonna do it my way. I went for a moody look and I added fake rain on top of the picture because I wanted it to look like it was raining. So I found this TonyTextures.com when Googling free rain overlays. And I found these rain textures here on his website. So what I did was I just saved them onto my desktop. Okay, here's the image in Lightroom that I'm gonna add the overlay to. Normally, I use one of my Lightroom presets that are for sale on my website. I always color grade with these Starbucks. See what it does to the oranges? I really like that filmy look. I'm gonna use this preset. I'm gonna go to Photo, Edit In, and then send it over to Photoshop. When the image transfers over to Photoshop, what I'm gonna do is grab the rain overlay from the desktop. I'm gonna just throw it on the image. So now I'm gonna just resize the rain so that it covers my entire image. I'm gonna press OK. So now you wanna do is you wanna go to the actual effect. You wanna right click it, go to blending options, go to normal, and you wanna go ahead and use lighten or color dodge. I use lighten, press OK. And now you just change the opacity to a lower opacity so that it looks real. And that to me, guys, it looks pretty real. You already have the reflection on the ground to show you that it's raining. Now you got this fake rain coming in. If you want to make it look a little bit more realistic, right here by the pants, I feel like it's the only part that doesn't look like super realistic. You can just create a mask for this layer, get a black brush, and with a low opacity, maybe like a 40 opacity, I would just rub off some of the the rain on the pants. And I think right now it looks a little bit more realistic. Here's the before and after. I love the fact that I'm able to just go out in the rain and have fun, not worry about lighting, not worry about all this lighting going on around me. You know what I'm saying? Just enjoy the moment, have fun. Look for reflections on the ground when you're shooting in the rain, because those lights, those street lamps are really gonna reflect off the ground. And just have fun, man. Like, it's nice to break out of the norm and do something different like this. Get someone that's down, that just doesn't care. Like JoJo, she don't care. She's a good sport. She just goes out there and just shoots. And I've always been that kind of person that when there's like bad weather, I just want to just stay inside. I'm not motivated to go out and shoot in this super gray, rainy weather. So hopefully this little tutorial helped you and this video inspired you to do something a little different. Make sure to check out my sponsor, Vessi. Those shoes are dope. I use them in the snow. I use them in the rain. My feet stay nice and dry. Check them out. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, baby. I called the baby.